Hello everyone, this is Shanti Shirsat from Information Technology Department. In this session, we learn about the next concept, that is IP addressing, that is IPv4 and IP address classes, learning outcomes. Okay. IPv4, it is our Internet Protocol version 4 in the development of an Internet Protocol and the first version of the Internet Protocol to be widely developed. It is a datagram protocol primarily responsible for addressing and routing the packet from one host to another host. That is the basic structure of IPv4 packet, which contains the IP header and IP payload, that is data, which we want to transmit. Header format of IPv4, that is version, header length, type of service, total length, then identification bit, flag bits, fragment offset, TTL, that is time to live, protocol field, header checksum, source and destination IP address, then IP option, which is the optional part, then padding and data. All these are field available in IP header format. So let's start with discuss one by one. That is version. This is a 4-bit field, indicates that the version of IPv4 IP protocol, that is maybe IPv4 or maybe IPv6, but here is version is IPv4. That internet header length. This 4-bit field gives the length of the internet protocol, that is IPv4 header length in 32-bit words. The minimum length of the IPv4 header is 5 32-bits word. 5 32-bit words. The header bit pattern is 0101 because it is 4-bit field. Okay. Next, type of service. This field in the internet protocol header is an 8-bit field which provides an indication of quality of service desired, such as precedence, delay, throughput and reliability. Next one is the total length. It is a 16-bit field which identifies the length in bytes of internet protocol version 4 datagram. Next is the identification. This field in IPv4 header is a 16-bit field which indicates the identity value assigned by the sender to help in assembling the fragments of an datagram. That is fragments, which is large packet divided into the small parts, and after that unique identification number is added to every part, which is helpful for reassemble that particular packet. Then flag bits, there are 3 bits flag which indicates the fragmentation possibilities. Then fragment offset, this will indicate where it is actual IP datagram these fragments belongs. TTL is a 8-bit field and TTL indicates the amount of time in seconds or routers hopes that the internet protocol datagram can survive before it discarded. Next, protocol is a 8-bit field, indicates the protocol that will receive the data payload. Next is a header checksum. This field holds a 16-bit calculated value to verify the validity of the header only. This field is recomputed in every router as TTL field decrements. Source IP address, it is a 32-bit size of IP address for the device in IPv4 datagram, and also the destination address is 32-bit in IPv4. Next is the IP option. This field supports the number of options header settings primarily used for testing, debugging and security. Padding, it is an optional field, may vary in length. The padding field provides the additional 0 bits, so the total header length is an exact multiple of 32 bits. Next is the data field. which contains the real internet protocol data payload, means the data, and at the size may vary. It contains the data generated by TCP or UDP transport layer protocols or ICMP or IGMP protocols. It actually the data which we want to transmit over the network. Shows the parts of the or components of the IP address, that is network number and host number. Next concept, that is IP address classes. Okay, IP that contains the network and host part. IP address classes, that is divided into the 5 classes A, B, C, D, E. For class A, first 8 bits are network identification number and remaining 24 bits are host identification. For class B, first 16 bits from 0 to 15, first 16 bits for network identification and remaining 16 bits for host identification, because IP address is 32 bits. Okay. For class C, out of 32, 24 bits are for network identification and last one, that is for 8 bits for host identification. Check here. Class A, most significant MSB, that is most significant bit is 0, 7 bits for network ID, that is total 8 bits, and remaining 24 bits for host identification. For class B, first 2 most significant bits are 1, 0, then remaining 14 bits, that is for network bits, and remaining 16 bits for host identification. For class C, total bits, that is 24 bits for network identification. Out of this, most significant bits are 110 and remaining 8 bits for host identification. For class D, most significant bits, that is 1110, and it is for used for multicasting purpose, and last one is a class E, all ones, that is most significant 4 bits are all 1, and it is reserved for future use, not implemented yet. Okay, this is IP address classes. Check here. For network ID, class A 8 bit, networks 126. Bits in host ID, that is 24, that's why the number of hosts per network, that is more than 16,000. Okay, address range 1.00 to 126.255.255.255. Default mask is 255.0.0. Then B, the network ID bit 16, so 2 raised to 16, that is 16,000. Okay, 2 raised to, that is 16,000 networks, and the bits per host is 16, that is 2 raised to 16, that is 65,536. Okay, range from 128 to 191, and default mask is 255.255.0.0. Next, for class C, network bits 24, right? Out of these, most significant bits are 110. So number of networks, that is 2 raised to 21, and bits in host are 8, that is 2 raised to 8, that is 256. Okay, and the default mask is for class C is 255.255.255.0. Then D is for multicasting and E is as a class for reserve for future use. Okay, it is used for testing only. Check here, the class A, first bit of the first octet is always set to 0. Highest order bit, that is most significant bit of the network byte is always 0. Network address में से जो सबसे पहले वाला bit है most significant bit is always 0 in class A. Okay, and range class A octet, first octet range is from 1 to, that is 0 to 127. Okay, that is, check here, all zeros and last one, and then 0 and all ones, that is 127. Default mask is 255.0.0.0. This means it can have 126 network, that is the network bits are total 7 because 1 is the most significant bit, so remaining are 7 bits. 2 raised to 7 minus 2. 2 raised to 7 minus 2 networks. Okay, 2 raised to 7 means 2 raised to 0 1. 2 raised to 1 2. 2 raised to 2 4. 2 raised to 3 8. 16 32. 64 128. 2 raised to 7 means 128 minus 2, that is 126 networks we can create in class A. And the host, that is how many bytes? 3 bytes, that is 24 bits, that is 2 raised to 24 minus 2, that is more than 16 million users are added into the class A network. First byte specifies the network portion, that is 8 bits, and remaining 3 bytes, that is 24 bits, specifies the host portion. Network range from 0 to 127. That 0 and 127s are reserved. This class is used for large addressing networks. There are 126 class A networks and more than 16 million host values for each class A network. Next is a class B. Here the first 2 bytes, that is 16 bytes network address and 16 bits network address and 16 bits host address. Out of this, first 2 bits set to 0, that is 1 0. The highest order bits, that is 6 and 7 of the network portions, are 1 0. Range from 128 to 191. Default mask 255.255, which is related to network portion, and .0.0, these are the host portion. Class B has 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 16 minus 2, that is 16,000 network addresses, and 2 raised to 16 minus 2, that is 65,000, more than 65,000 host addresses. Okay, 2 raised to n, that is 2 raised to 14, because 2 are for identification, that is 1 and 0. So 2 raised to 14 minus 2, that is 16,000. Okay, the first 2 bytes specifies the network portion and last 2 bytes specifies the host portion. 16,000 class B network. Check here, 1 raised to 1 and 0, that is most significant bit, 7th and 6th. Out of this, 2 bytes network address. Next is a class C address. Most significant bit, that is 110. So remaining out of 3 bytes, that is 24 minus 3, that is 21 network addresses and network ID bits, and remaining 8 bits are the host portion. First octet of this class has its first 3 bits, that is set to 110, that is higher order bits 5, 6 and 7 of the network portions are 110 and range from 192 to 223. The default mask is 255.255.255.0. The 24 bits specifies the network portion and last host bits, that is 8 bits, specifies the host portion. It is used for small size network. There are more than 2 million classes C network and there are 254 hosts in each class C network. This is class D addressing, having most significant bit 1110 and used for multicasting purpose. Does not have any default or subnet mask. Next is a class E address, where most significant bits are 1111 and it's reserved for future use. This class 2 is not equipped with any subnet mask and range from 240 to 255 because class D range from 224 to 239. Thank you guys. Remaining part regarding IP address we will discuss in next session.